Hey guys, Josh here! Today we have a very special episode dedicated to a very, very special event. Our company is celebrating its 10th anniversary. That's absolutely fantastic news. Today I'd like to invite you to take a look at how it all started and to remember our major achievements over these 10 remarkable years. Make yourself comfortable and let's dive in. Exactly a decade ago, IQ Option started its operations as a brokerage company and launched its own trading platform, which was designed to be intuitive, convenient, and user-friendly. In 2014, we received the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission license, and therefore, the company was authorized to provide its services to EEA countries and comply with the established standards and principles of European financial regulation. At the dawn of its operations, IQ Option offered its clients a web solution for trading, which was available from Monday to Friday. But very soon, after launching our own software solution, our platform became operational 24/7. Originally, the platform had a simple interface and just a few tools: 10 CFD assets, 10 features, and 10 technical indicators, while the number of registered users was a bit more than 84,000. Throughout the years, these figures will grow significantly. The company's continued pursuit of innovation, development of advanced trading software, and improvement of its product and service soon brought advanced outcomes. As a result, more and more clients were opting for the platform every successive year. 2015 can rightfully be called the year of innovation for the company. In 2015, IQ Option launched a completely renewed version of its trading platform. It became speedier and more advanced. The interface was totally redesigned, while new chart types, layouts, technical indicators, and other long-awaited tools were added, such as a multi-chart type mode, a newsfeed, and a leaderboard. Staying on top of tech trends, IQ Option implemented the cross-platform framework. The company developed and launched apps for all popular operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. This allowed our clients to make better informed decisions and manage their trades literally from anywhere. Speed in trading is, perhaps, the most crucial thing. Knowing perfectly how speed is important, IQ Option started boosting its brand awareness by sponsoring the AGI Sport Racing Team, a participant of the Australian Formula 4 Championship 2015. Love for motorsport didn't cease with the Australian team. Another exciting sponsorship was initiated in 2016, this time with Aston Martin. The company sponsored Aston Martin in the World Endurance Championship for 2 consecutive years, drawing a vivid parallel between fast-paced precision trading and high-speed racing. To follow this tradition, IQ Option became a sponsor of Red Bull Racing in 2018. Rapid pace in everything: product design and development, customer response time, withdrawal time. Following these principles, in 2016, we adopted a quick withdrawal system, which allowed us to process 68% of withdrawal requests immediately. When serving over 2.8 million customers, every millisecond counts. With the increase in customer base, the company's staff was growing exponentially too. From 2014 to 2016, the support team alone grew by more than 7 times. And of course, we introduced new languages to serve our clients better. 2018 was marked by new fascinating events. We introduced crypto CFDs on our platform and launched our own online trivia game, IQ Quiz, where the company's clients had a unique opportunity to regularly test their knowledge of CFD trading, investing, and finance. The quiz was broadcast in many languages and enjoyed immense popularity among our traders. As the years passed, IQ Option was evolving, not only as a brokerage firm, but also as a socially responsible company. In 2018, the company launched some charitable initiatives, establishing its own charitable foundation. IQ Option has made it its mission to benefit underprivileged children around the world, as well as to address pressing issues in Africa. In 2018 to 2019, the IQ Option Charitable Foundation implemented several charity projects in Rwanda, together with Faith Foundation. Meanwhile, we have approached the 2020s in our milestones review. In 2021, we launched an important feature, margin trading. And today, we can boast even more impressive results about our product. Over 300 CFD assets, 100 plus technical indicators, multiple payment methods, and an amazing variety of additional features, such as alerts, economic calendars, widgets, templates, graphical tools, news, and more. All this is aimed at enhancing our traders' experience every single day. Our fantastic customer care team has served millions of clients in 11 languages and responds to chats in just 44 seconds. Awesome! It's natural that these results have not gone unnoticed by communities of experts in trading and finance. In 2022, we received a prestigious Excellence in Forex Platform Global 2022 award from the Global Business Review magazine, while in 2023, World Business Outlook awarded IQ Option with the Best Mobile Trading App Global 2023. Our platform was also recognized as the most innovative trading platform Globe 2023 by the International Business magazine. And the best is yet to come. So let's step into the next decade with the same great passion for trading and innovation, with creative inspiration and complete dedication together. Oh, and one more thing. If you're already with us, please share your memories related to our platform or your wishes for future improvements in the comments below. If we're meeting for the first time, join us using the link in the video description and get a free demo account with $10,000 in virtual funds. Good luck in your new trading journey, and again, happy anniversary to us, and cheers to all of you.